Welcome, here I've got Meizu M5s and let me show you how to use Camera Pro mode at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Now let's move to left corner button so we can get access to more modes of this camera, and here we have to pick Pro. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the left. The first one option we can manage here is shutter speed, so we can change the time of taking photo, and we can pick it from 1 and 5,000 of second, so make it shorter, and this short time should be definitely better to objects, for example in move, to frozen them at the picture with a good light. By going to the right on it, we can make our time much longer. The longest here is 10 seconds, so it should be better to objects that are stable, or if we need to have some blur at our picture. To go back to auto settings with that, we have to simply slide to the left to the beginning. The next one option here is ISO, so we can change camera's sensitivity to light, and we can make it less sensitive from 100 or more sensitive to 1 and 6,000. I think this spectrum is really enough like this type of camera. Of course, when we slide to the left here, we can change it to auto. And the next one option here is focus, so we can adjust here manual focusing, and by using the slider we can pick it on our subject as we need. Now let's move to the next one option. Here we have exposure compensation, so we can manage the light of our picture. By going to the right on it, we can make it more bright, as you can see. By going to the left, we can make it more dark. At the center we have 0 parameter, so we can easily go back to auto exposure compensation. Now let's move to the next one option. We can adjust here saturation of colors from medium to high or really low. And when we slide on this settings bar to the right, we can pick also the contrast from medium to high and also to low, and white balance, so the temperature of our picture. And here we can pick from some ready lights we have, so it depends from the light we have in the area where we take a photo. Here we have tungsten light, we can pick also fluorescent light, sunny light and cloudy. And at the beginning here we have auto settings. And this is how to use all of that. Now let me manage this to take a photo. So for example, let me stay on time here. The ISO might be this one. Focusing here. A little bit brighter. Maybe more saturated and more contrasted picture with white balance on fluorescent light. To see my photo, let's move to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. I suggest you to making experiments with all of these settings and just have a good fun. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.